How to use a subway card in Doordash. Now the first step is to go to the bottom right corner here on the Me section. Press on that and you'll be led here and you'll be finding multiple options, but you're gonna have to go and press on settings. And in settings, you're gonna be able to see the gift card option. Once you press that, you'll be sent to a part where you can go ahead and give cards to other people, but what you want to actually do is in the top right corner where it says redeem. So you're gonna want to redeem your Subway gift card, of course, so make sure you do have the card's information, and of course it's yours. Make it legal and have the code of the redeem card ready. So once you have it all ready, just go ahead and press that, and over here you'll be sent to a redeem gift card option where you can go ahead and enter your gift card pin. So just go ahead or copy and paste your pin, or you can just go ahead and type it manually. Once you've typed in the pin of your gift card, just go ahead and press on redeem to your account, and the gift card should eventually redeem to your account and you can finally order with that funds. So hopefully this video does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.